that an 18 thingy in that? 18 bullets.
Well, this is great, isn't it? Taking my car,
Nice firearm.
arrested him, firearms. Got an air rifle.
I've got an air rifle, yeah.
Legal one.
Legal one. Perfectly legal. I take it on my farm where it's legal. But I don't know how to use it, so. In fact, I've not even been out shooting with it yet. Well,
That officer there.
I've not even took it out shooting
Horrible.
yet. I've not even took it out once yet. So, I've not even had it out. I've had it out to fill it up.
I am not interested.
Well, I know you're not interested because you did good.
Have they picked his watch up now?
This attitude, whatever, and like, you know.
It's saying the same thing over.
Yeah, because it's the truth. I'll swear to God I will fucking put her windows through, I'm telling you.
I've got an air rifle, there's no suspicion there, is there? I told you I've got one, so there's no suspicion.
I need that, I need...
I have got an air rifle, yeah. It's quite a nice one, an expensive one, and it's perfectly legal. And I've been through this before.
She's vicious, isn't she?
This is nasty as fuck, this is not right, is it? I have to fill it up with the air pump from the car, so unfortunately that's
And it's only her next door.
I can't find out what is illegal about that. So, I've told you everything I know, so there's nothing I don't want to know.
I don't know how they're taking the car. What's the car got to do with the
I
rifle?
don't know, I really don't know.
What's the car got to do with the rifle, officer?
I want my gun back though, I don't want my gun taken out because it's
Well, no one's... They've not gone to the house, have they?
Yeah, I'm going to check in the house now.
They better not have gone in my house.
I'm searching the house.
Let's get back there quickly.
No. Oh, yeah, what do you want me to do? Fucking run?
He's sarcastic.
In here, sarcastic ass. Throwing my bag on his boot, bonnet. It's all fucking recorded, anyhow.
It's water. Well, it's not even been opened, it's a sealed bottle. Trev, what's in that bottle?
Water.
Water. Well, okay, sorry. Is it open, Trev, yeah?
I had a swig of it, sorry, love.
I can't have a drink because it's open.
I know, sorry.
I don't get where you're coming from, but that's a nice place. Yes, I've got an air rifle, there's no suspicion, so...
Why have they got him yet? They better not have... How have they got him in your house? Have they got your key?
Colin's in there. I got my key.
Still locked, he won't answer the door.
Well, I don't understand what the offence is. It's not a firearm. So straight away you're wrong because it's an air rifle. A legal air rifle. That I have a bag for and a case. So that's about it. That's all I can say. I can't say no more than that.
Well, you can't, it costs you 700 quid.
It's 750 actually. But I don't know why I'm angry because I know this. So I'm not going 18 more. No, you're wasting time. It's all just a show.
It's because she will have seen you filling it up.
Well, it is a big thing. I've got to fill it up. But if you want to pump the car, I've got to fill it up.
But there's no point in saying anything, love, because they don't care.
You put your cigarette lighter into the cigarette thing. And the pump, all right.
Where'd you have to save it for? The station?
There's a due process now. I've got to be school police station for about 10 hours.
Wrong colour, love.
I know I am, yeah.
Have a knife.
I get it. I've been outside with my guns to fill it up. Oh my God, I'm not allowed to do that. I won't do it for it up. It's a gas house. Compressed air. I'm talking to myself actually out loud because you're not bothered.
I'm not listening.
No, he's not listening to himself.
No, he's not.
He's had a gun pointed at me.
Come here, Ruth.
Told him to get out of the
All right,
couch,
she's
told him
fine.
to
It's fine.
comply with him completely. I've not been arrogant. I've not been rude. I've not been
You
obnoxious.
chat a lot, that's all. That's you.
But for some reason,
That's the Oldham police, they know him.
I don't know why you're being condescending because it's not coming of you. You're a police officer. You're supposed to work for the Crown. You know, you're supposed to protect us. Not come chasing after some cunt who's sat in the car going walking his dog. Madness. Get why you've got guns, why you have guns. But you've been so lying. So I've got cameras outside.
Yeah, but Chris, when they find out it's a lie, I'm going to report it that she's maliciously using the police service, the fire...
When I had my guns last time,
Have you got the random guy?
yeah, you're alright.
What's happening here?
Apparently never got a firearm.
Police for one guy.
Yeah, exactly, you know. It's vanity madness, isn't it? You know what I mean? You're over the top.
I don't understand why you're taking my car, though.
Taser, Glock. I don't know what that is. It's not an AR-15, it's an ice rifle.
What's
You've got enough weapons on you to fucking
Can-
take down a fucking arm.
officers? Can you tell me why you're taking the car? Because that's
Oh,
my
I've got a clue why you're
transport.
taking the car. Apparently,
How
it's
do
been
I
used
get
in
to the
crime.
hospital tomorrow
It's
for
been
my
used in crime,
appointment?
apparently. It's been used to go to the chimney. It's not been used.
How dare you?
Oh no, I filmed gun up with the gas. Sorry, that's right. Sorry. It has been used in crime. I got the pump out the boot that I used to fill the tyre up, and I filled the gas with it. He's got a cylinder, and I filled it up with the air from the car. Is that all right? And then I took him back in the house. Yeah, is that fine? So I haven't got a firearm. So there is a big difference, because a firearm, it fires gunpowder. An air rifle is powered to 12 pounds. And that is it, because that's legal. So you can test it out, and probably you will do. But I've got my pellets in there. 18 quid I just paid for 10 pellets. So they've got one of the best sets of pellets you can get. What they call them pellets, dum-dums.
I don't know the name. I don't know.
They open up, so they kill better. They get rats, got rats and rabbits. But I've not even been out shooting yet with it. So I don't know why you bother. So every time I go out with my gun, I'm going to get this. Like, when I go out with my gun shooting, I'm going to get this. Is that what
we sort of work that out in the room.